At this point, it shouldn't be surprising. I mean, we have all, at this point, seen or heard, or at least I would like to believe that we have seen or heard the story where the young man was beaten to the point where he had to be hospitalized simply for the act of stepping on his schoolmate Clark's. This is such a loaded discussion because this is nothing new. It has been happening from I was going to school and from before that. But each time it happens, it brings a discussion to the forefront that we need to have, that we've been having, but we need to have it more. And then we need to start taking actions. We are failing our children. We as a society are failing. We have failed to instill in our youths the respect for our fellow humans and a respect for life. We have instead placed more value on material things. A perfect example is this, the Clarks. Because so much value is placed upon the Clarks because it was soiled. A young man was beaten to the point of hospitalization. This is nothing for no one to be laughing about, and I haven't seen them laughing about it, but it's a serious plague that our society is dealing with. And this goes back to the whole dunce bag. And I know a lot of people may wonder, like, where I make this correlation. There's no connection between it, but actually it does. It has a connection because it's the same focus on material things over certain morals and values. The focus is being placed on the material instead of the intangible, and we need to stop. We need to find back our center. And if you can't do that, you shouldn't be having children. It's in our music, in our movies, in our books, everything. Too much emphasis on the material and less emphasis on the intangible, such as the respect for human life. I'm not perfect, and none of us is. But I can guarantee you that I would never harm someone for simply stepping in my shoes. A Clark's does not equate the value of a human life. But these are just my thoughts, and I'm going to always give them. Thank you for tuning in.